Hello students, myself Swati. This is your online maths class. Yes, today we will go with the new topic of chapter 14, that is statistics, and the new topic is how to find the median of grouped data. Okay, already we have done two things, that is mean and how to find mean and how to find mod. Mean we have done by three methods. I think you remember that. The first one was direct method. The second was your assumed mean method. Very good. And the third and last one was your step deviation method. You all remember, I think. And mod, how to find mod? I think mod was also very easy to find. Now median is also like that only. It is easy, but you have to see how we have to find it. So we will start with the question number first of exercise 14.3. Okay, take out your book. Okay, and let us see question number first of 14.3. Yes, the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mod of the data and compare them. So students, first of all, they are saying find median, mean and mod. So mean and mod you know how to find, I will not tell you, but how to find median, that we will calculate. Okay, so first of all we will make the table as it is made in the question also. Okay, question number first. You can see this is your class interval. That is class interval lies between 65 to. Just make the table as it is. Yes, so this is the question. What we have to find? We have to find the median. Okay, so what I will do? Before finding the median, we should know what is the formula to find the median. So write it down. What is the formula to find the median? Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So this is your formula to find the median. Now you should know what are the abbreviation used over here. L, small l stands for lower limit of earlier it was, while we were finding mod, it was lower limit of model class. Okay, and this is the lower limit of median class. Okay, class n upon 2. N is what? N is total frequency. Okay. Okay. Yes. F, what is F? F is frequency of median class. Okay. F is what? F is frequency of median class. Now CF. What is CF? So CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding means before it is, okay, preceding the median class. मतलब मीडियन क्लास से पहले जो क्लास है उसकी कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? CF. Now what is H? H is, I think you know that, height or class size. It's class size. Okay. So now up to this it is done. Now we have to find all these values from the question. So first question is how to find the CF. So beta, wherever we have to find CF, okay. So what we are doing is, it is very important. Okay, कैसे निकालोगे आप CF? तो देखो CF निकालने का क्या तरीका होता है, फर्स्ट नंबर विल रिमेन एज इट इज, फर्स्ट नंबर एज इट इज. नाउ सेकेंड नंबर विल कम if in the second frequency you will add the first one. Then what is the meaning of it? 5 plus 4, that will be what? 9. Very good. देखो अब आपको करना कैसे है, इनको इसमें ऐड करते जाना है, ठीक है. ऐड 13 plus 9. अब देखो 9 आ गया, 9 में किसको ऐड करोगे आप? 13 को. So that will be your 22. This one addition 42. This one addition 56. This one addition 64. And this one addition 68. The last number which you are getting, I will rub other things. Okay, the last number which you are getting, that should be actually the sum of all the frequencies. So how you will check? You will check by adding all the frequencies. So add all the frequencies. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So whatever we have found, that is your correct. So from here you can see that now how to find the median class. अब यहाँ क्वेश्चन ये राइज होता है कि हम मीडियन क्लास का हमें कैसे पता चलेगा. भाई हमने सब कुछ निकाल लिया, हमें L पता है, N पता है, F पता है, CF पता है, H पता है. H एक बार को हम बता सकते हैं कि H क्या है. बताओ H क्या है यहाँ पे? Yes, here H is how much? H is 20. Okay. इसके अलावा N भी आप बता सकते हो. N is the sum of total frequency and that is how much? 68. But now the question arises, how to find F, how to find L, how to find CF. इन सबको फाइंड करने के लिए बेटा आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मीडियन क्लास कौन सा है. तो मीडियन क्लास फाइंड करने का क्या तरीका है? वेरी इजी इट इज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड n/2. n/2 व्हाट यू विल गेट? 34. अब आप कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में जाओ, ध्यान देना. अब आप कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी वाली लाइन में जाओ और वहां देखो 34 या 34 से ज्यादा नंबर कहां आ रहा है. ज्यादा, ठीक है, कम नहीं. तो CF में गए हम, 22 34 से कम है, लेकिन 42 क्या है? 34 से ज्यादा. यानी ये वाली जो क्लास है, दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज योर मीडियन क्लास. व्हाट इट इज? मीडियन. देखो बहुत इजी था, आप फिर से देख सकते हो एक बार. पहले n/2 निकाला, जो n/2 में नंबर आया उस नंबर के थोड़ा सा बड़ा, मतलब जस्ट बड़ा आसपास में आपको किस टेबल में, किस लाइन में देखना है? यू हैव टू सी इन द कॉलम ऑफ CF. इन द कॉलम ऑफ CF यू कैन सी दैट 42 is just bigger than 34 and 22 is smaller, so we don't have to look for the smaller, we have to look for the bigger one. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपका ये मीडियन क्लास हो गया. तो what is the median class? The median class is 125 to 145. I think you know the median class, so you can tell me what is L. Median class 125 to 145. So L is what? L is the lower limit of the median class. So that will be 125. Okay. Now F. What is F? F is the frequency of the median class. Median class की क्या frequency है? Cumulative frequency नहीं पूछी, frequency पूछी है. So what is the frequency? 20. Okay. Now CF. So CF is what? The cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Median class के ऊपर वाली class की cumulative frequency, that is how much? 22. We will put it in the formula. Okay. So I think we know the median's formula, that is 125 plus n/2. n/2 is how much? 34 minus CF is how much? 22 upon F is how much? 20 and H is also 20. Yes. So you can see that 20 cut. So it will be how much? 125 plus 34 minus 22. 1, 2, 12. Okay, add all of them. 1, 3, 7. So what is the median? Median is 137, and that is your answer for the first question. Okay, students. Now similarly, you can see that Okay, there is question number second in which we have to find the value of x and y. So leave it. Okay, easier one we will do first. Okay, you can do question number 5, question number 4. Okay, question number 4 you can do, it is easy. No, not easy. Okay, sorry, leave it. Question number 5 you have to do. Okay, question number 5, and after that, okay, question number 6 also you can do, because you can see that the data is continuous, and question number 7 also you can do. So what is your homework according to this? According to this, you have to do question number 5, question number 6, question number 7. If you will get any doubt, you can WhatsApp me, or you can comment on the video also. Okay, further the question number 2nd, 3rd and 4th we will do in the next video. Okay, thank you.